Hello kids, hope you all best. First we know about color name: green color, black color, yellow color, red color, pink color, purple color, sky color, orange color. Now kids, let's start our lesson. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, sad, zad, ta, za, ain, ghain, fa, kaf, kaf, lam, mim, noon, waw, ha, hamza, ya, ya. Now kids, let's start to repeat our lesson. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, sad, zad, ta, za, ain, ghain, fa, qaf, kaf, lam, mim, noon, waw, ha, hamza, ya.